Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change YouTube banner on Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and search here YouTube, and you must update your YouTube application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open YouTube and simply click on your channel icon in the top right, and then you need to click on your channel. And once you are in channel, you simply need to click on the pencil icon, and then you need to click on the camera icon on the top right. And here you have two options: take a photo or choose from your photos. So I'm going to choose from my photos. So you find plenty of different photos from your gallery, so I'm going to select a random photo. Okay, and you can see that how it look like on TV, desktop and all devices. You can select according to your choice. Okay, and then you need to click on save on the top right. So let me show you how it will look when it is changed. So you can see that now it is changed. So this is a process by which you can change your banner on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.